Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you this treadmill. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have. There we go. This is the first thing you're going to see. This is the bottom part. We have two more boxes. Here are the arms. Let's open this. These are the things inside the box. Here is the instruction manual, power cord, and some stuff. This is for emergency braking, and some screws, and a remote controller. And we have the AAA batteries. These are what we have exactly. Let me show it to you closely. Power cord area. We have some buttons over here. This is gonna go right over here. Like that. This is non-slippery pad. If you put your devices, it's not gonna slip over here. Here are the areas. We're gonna put the arms. Here is the area. We're gonna go ahead and screw them. My daughter is gonna do the left side. Like that. Here we go. We already have all the tools inside. You don't need to worry about everything. That's good. You can fold it like that. Here's the left side. That's good. This is for the safety purposes. Whenever you unfold it, you're just gonna go ahead and screw it and tighten it. Let's do the same thing for the other side. Let's put this one there too. Whenever you want to fold it, you're just gonna unscrew this, all of it, and then fold it and screw it again, as you can see. Let's put the battery in it and close it. Here is the power source area. Now we can go ahead and plug it in. Now we are done with everything. It was very easy. Here's the area. We can turn it on and off. Alright, we have the LED screen. It says error 07. That means we're going to use this emergency braking. Now, perfect. And you're going to put it somewhere around you, just in case something happens. It's going to stop. When we take it out, you're going to see incline, speed, time, distance, calories. This is going to increase the incline or decline. I'm going to show you. There are 6 levels for incline or decline. Let's see. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and start it. 3, 2, 1. It starts. You can increase the speed right there. Let's see the maximum speed. 7.6 miles per hour. Let's see the screen. Right now it shows the speed, time, 3 seconds. And we're gonna see the distance. It's 0 right now. And let's see the calorie. 0 calorie. And incline. Now it's 0. We can go ahead and change it from here. There are 6 levels. Still increasing. Now that's maximum. Just in case something happens, immediately stops. Here is the area we can put our devices and continue watching. Or you can put your iPads. There you go. Continue watching. You can use the remote controller. Now I paused it and it is slowly shutting down. Let's continue. 3, 2, 1, and increase the speed. Perfect. Here is the incline, increase, decrease. After using the remote controller, you can put it somewhere like that. I installed the application. We're gonna go there, and here we go. You need to put all of your information over here. Your weight, your height, date of birth, fat loss or shaping, metrics. You can choose one of them and continue. Now we put all the information. Continue. Alrighty, ready, allow, allow. Alrighty. Now we can go ahead and connect it with Bluetooth. Running, equipment cycling, connected. Rowing.
After connecting the device, what can be done?
Done. Alrighty. Here we go. 144, BMI, heart rate, etc. Workouts, free run, smart run, target run, real scenery run, customized scheme, etc. And here is your profile. These are some of the settings. There are also courses, equipment, preferences, accounts, etc. All right, here is home, time, distance, calories. Let's check it out. Let's go ahead and use the iPad to check workouts. We have free run, smart run, target run, real scenery run. I'm gonna choose this one. For example, 30 minutes, GKB, City Park, Jakarta, Indonesia. Let's see. These are the areas we're gonna run. Let's see. We're gonna go ahead and start. Whenever you're changing the speeds, it's just gonna show over there. Same thing, 3.6. You started right there. You're running in Jakarta, Indonesia. Whenever you're gonna carry from somewhere to somewhere, you can use the wheels, by the way. I really like the design also. You can also control it from here too. Like that. And you can change the speed. The steps per minute, pace, remaining, and distance, calories. And there are some other people, you can see them. I really like how they integrate with the technology, iPad and the treadmill. Now we're gonna check Statue of Liberty. It talks about everything, where you're gonna go, longest distance. Let's choose that one. And remote. We can go ahead and start it. It's starting. 221 miles. Perfect. We're right now there. It's gonna go from here to there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it as an adult. My kids already tried it. Let's go ahead and come over here, and don't forget to clip it somewhere. If something happens, it's just gonna stop. Let's start it. At the same time, you're gonna see it right over here too. 3, 2, 1. Like that. Either you can walk like this, or like this. I'm gonna increase the incline. I'm gonna make maximum. I can definitely suggest this product. Design is perfect, and you can control it with your phone, remote controller, and with the iPad too. And you can see the calories, time, duration, distance, etc. here. And there are so many different workouts. It's basically showing you some videos like you're running in New York or Manhattan, you know, those kind of places. It's like real. While you're walking, you can listen to music too. There are so many benefits, like incline, and it has the wheels, and you have a place to put your iPad or your phone, and you have the buttons over here, etc. If you want to go to Apple Health, that's the health app, you need to grant access, turn on all, allow. We're gonna get all the information from here to there. That's a perfect integration also. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fold it and store it. We're just gonna go ahead and unscrew this area, all of it. Now we're good to go. We can go ahead and unfold. We can go ahead and fold it. You can take this out and remove this. Turn it off. And go ahead and screw these areas. Do the same thing over here. Now we're good to go. We're just gonna lift this area and carry. You see, that's very easy. It's because of the wheels at the bottom. And this is the bottom part. If the pad over here is not centered, here are the areas. You can use the Allen wrench to center it. You see, right now it's centered. That's why I don't want to do that. And here is the area. You can put the oil. Let me go ahead and open it. You see, it's close. Now I'm going to show you how to store it. Here is my bathroom, and I'm just going to put it under my bed. That's it. Perfect. Let's check it out from the other side. There you go. It doesn't take up too much space. That's why I can definitely suggest this product.